Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro Max 16 driver. Okay, so first you have to come this site www.dell.com. After that, click support and driver and download. Then enter the model number of your system, Dell Pro Max 16. Then type premium. Okay, after that it will search. Yeah, so scroll down. There are two options. First, automatic means when you click check for update, so it will scan required driver install. But if you are facing some issues related only specific folder, so specific driver, so select the driver. Then click and categorize, and this is your system, and click to categorize. Slow down. Go to network wireless option, Ethernet, Ethernet wireless, and this is a Bluetooth driver. Okay, and click to download. So it is start and it is completed. Just single click to open. So after that, click to yes for administrator rights installations. Yes, then continue. You can see there are two options: extract file to the PC to install later. So this process will be extract to driver to folder, and then you can install. But first options you have to install directly. So select this install directly, and then continue. Now this is installing. So it is your software is now updated. Okay, means this is installed, and then close it.